In this video, we will be covering how to wire a push exit button directly to an Akuvox door phone. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. In this scenario, we will unlock the door with one push of the button. For this project, we will be using the R20 door phone and a push exit button. Please refer to this official wiring guide. We will use two wires to connect the door phone and the exit button. One wire is connected to the door A input port. If you wish to connect it to the door B input port, you need to configure input B on the device web interface. The other wire is connected to the GND port. Now, on the door phone, press and hold the button next to the GND port and insert one wire of the push exit button into the port. Then, connect the other wire to the door A port. Please make sure the stripped parts of wire are fully inserted. Tug them slightly to ensure they are secure. Next, open a web browser and enter the IP address. Log into the device web interface by using the default username and password, admin. Under the Intercom tab, select the Input tab. Since we connected the exit button to the door A port, we will enable the button under Input A section. If you are using door B, refer to the Input B section. Then, in the Execute Relay box, select the corresponding relay, which is Relay A. If you do not wish to open the door immediately after pressing the button, you can set up the delay time to the desired delay before opening the door. If you would like to be alerted when the door is open, you can set up an action to execute. For example, if SIP call is selected, a call will automatically made to the pre-configured number when the door is open. Next, under the Intercom tab, select the Action tab. Here, you will be able to enter specific information to configure this action. Back to the door phone, power on all devices. Next, push the exit button and you will hear the prompt letting you know the door is unlocked. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.